Hello and welcome to webmastercampus.com. In this tutorial, we are going to learn JavaScript check if an element is a descendant of another. Okay, so or we can say we are going to find if a child is inside a parent. Let's get started. So I'm going to write HTML5. I'm going to write H1, and in this one, I'm going to write the topic that we have. Let's do one more thing and write down div1. Okay, and let's call another div and name it div2. And in this one, I'm going to write div. Let's call this parent div content. Okay, and let's call the child div content. Here we go, and I'm going to open this with live server. Okay, so let's start the script, and in this script, I'm going to get this child and parent. Okay, so let's call this parent, and we are going to find document.getElementById, and in this one I'm going to write div1, which is a parent element, and we are going to find the child. Let's find the child with document.querySelector. So you can also have the idea, you can use it, but please remember, while using the query selector, you have to mention this ID over here, otherwise it will not work. So we have the query selector, and we want to get a confirmation if a child is inside of parent or not. Let's define a arrow function, const. Let's call it as Descendant, and in this one we are going to take child and parent as a parameter. In the arrow function, we are going to define the functionality that parent dot contains, so it will just return true and false. And now I'm going to use console.log and is descendant. In descendant, we are going to pass the child, which is div2. Okay, I missed this, and we are going to pass the parent. When we will do this, and I will save it, you will find that it will give me the answer true, because this div2 is inside the div1. Let's to get a confirmation, let's define div3, another div, and let's call it outside div of div1 or parent. Okay, and now as a child I am going to also capture this. Let's find out this and call this, okay, not child, and we are going to get the confirmation. This name is 3, and I'm going to pass this one to this. Okay, and you can see we are going to get the false, because div3, which is outside of div1, that's why it is giving us false. Okay, so here how you can find or check if an element is a descendant of another.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.